videos of that show. But here's an interesting thing that my wife picked up, gave me as a Christmas present. I'm not familiar with whatever this is, but it's tin plate. It looks like it's about S gauge to me. There's a little crane car. Interesting little artifact from back in the day. It is a 3-rail though. It has pickups. Try to figure out how it works. But it must be 3-rail, some other gauge than O, that's for sure. Has this little house with battery compartments, so I guess it runs off a battery. Gondola, semaphore. Here's the gauge. I don't know what the gauge it really is. I'm not familiar with this, but I think it might be close to S. So this will be a fun little thing to figure out and get used to. These pickups apparently go to the side to wipe on the rails. As you can see, this one needs a little work, but they scrape the rails, pick up the battery power. Looks like the batteries are Decals, which means with 2 of them that would be about 3 volts. I cornered the market on Flatcar projects. A whole box full of these things. There's 3 right there. Don't know what I'm going to do with them, but if I ever need flat cars for any reason, I've got them. I didn't even know this was in there. This is a Southern Pacific Lionel illuminated caboose. I guess it came in a box of flat cars. This looks like a repainted tank car. This is a partially repainted caboose with a base. This is the tank car base. Locomotive trailing truck. Lots of extra trucks. I'm always needing trucks. So as you can see, here's a log dump car. That's a good one. Didn't even know I bought these things. Here's some kind of a container of some sort. This is a metal flat car here. That'll be good. And then I got a bunch of trucks for projects. I don't even know how many. There's lots of them in there. All kinds of them. Locomotive wheels if I need those. So, this promises a bright future of projects and the fun that goes into messing with projects. This is Marx. I waited till the guy was ready to lower his price. He had 20 on it. I think I paid 10. He's got it dated as 1957. I'll have to work on it a little bit. As you can see, the crossing gate is broken, as often the case on these. It's got the man in there. So, I don't know if I can do anything with this or not, but I'll figure it out, I hope. Always wanted one of these. This is another Plasticville large gas station. Sign, billboard signs, 2 packages of billboard signs. Telephone booth. Plasticville outhouse. It's a 2-stall outhouse that Plasticville made back in the day. I kind of collect the billboards, I mean the signs, so you got to have the holders for them, so I'm glad I got those. Now, in Melbourne there's a place called Ernie's Hobby Shop. It's a great old-fashioned hobby shop like back in the day. This is a Hafner Boiler I picked up at Ernie's. I'll probably put a Marx motor in there. It was originally wind-up. And then I got 2 of these, it says number 3000, Marx boilers. So these are 3 projects right there that something could be done with. Like I say, if you're ever in Melbourne, go to Ernie's. I love that hobby shop. It's fun to go in there, find something you want, ask him what he wants for it, deal a little bit. Somebody was selling a bag of decals or stickers or something for trains. These things have gotten expensive. I didn't even look at them to see what they were. I just bought it. This is Kansas City Southern, micro scale, St. Louis Southwestern. Here's Union Pacific, Southern Pacific. Hopefully I can do something with these. I wanted the Cowboy Car to go with my general set. This is like the horse car. The shooters pop in and out as it goes around the track. So that'll be fun. I didn't have one of these. It's one of the last things I bought at the show. But I thought it would be fun to add to the collection. This says $5, so it's probably what I paid, or I probably paid less. It's a micro motor. Maybe this micro motor will wind up in the Hafner. We'll see. Fender I can use with it. This is the farm buildings from Plasticville. The shed and the, I guess that's a chicken coop or something. I don't know. None of this stuff was expensive. Here's a bag of people. And God knows what else is in there. It says 15, but I didn't pay 15 for that. Trust me. On the Marx fancy crane for quite a while. Never had one. Finally got one. It has the tilt couplers. It's missing the hook. So I'll have to come up with a hook for it. But I want to be able to compare this with the Lionel crane, so that'll be interesting later when I do that. I'm very happy to have this Marx New York Central crane. It's heavy, well made. I think the base is metal. I've seen these on eBay and they always go for too much. I think I paid 20, I'm not sure. Box of Plasticville. These are Plasticville people. Well, I don't know what this is, but it was there and it was cheap. Another little project. I don't know if I can get a micro motor in there or not. I have no idea who made this. This, of course, is American Flyer. I bought it because I want one of these activator trucks, but I may not do that because I could restore this, I suppose. Another Plasticville box. Little coop of some sort. Corn crib and other farm stuff. This is the farm set. I guess what's in there is what's on the box lid. Plasticville hardware store. These are nice to have. I didn't pay 10 for it. The price was 10, but you don't pay what they're asking or you don't buy it. This is the Plasticville playground set. I don't know what's in that box. I haven't looked. But as you can see, the box is in bad shape, and I guess it's full of the playground stuff. Got this nice Union Pacific 3/16 scale Marx Boxcar. I really like that. Then we have the Pacific Fruit Express Boxcar. An Erie gondola. I think it has the drop ends, and for once it actually has the drop ends. Usually they're missing. So that's the first one I've gotten that actually have the drop ends intact. B&O Boxcar with tilt couplers. It was a great train show. This goes with the 1666. Two more of the 3/16 inch cars. I have to fix that ladder on the tank car. But they're nice shape. I'm happy with them. The Lionel Cheapo Special flat car. If I decide to use this, I'll remove the plastic rivets that hold the trucks on and use number 6 screws with lock nuts so they don't wobble like that. Here's the caboose that goes with the 3/16 inch cars. I probably paid about 20 or so for the set. This is part of a dump car. It's missing the tray. I don't have this particular caboose, but I do now. This is a 490 with a double reduction motor, which of course will probably go in a better boiler than the old plastic boiler, but I haven't decided yet. And the tender that goes with it. Drugstore in Melbourne Beach. I bought a space shuttle. I've been trying to put together a marked Cape Canaveral play set, so this will go with that. So that'll be fun. So if you're in Melbourne, every 3 months they have this great train show. I think the next one's around the beginning of March. But I always find good deals there and have a lot of fun. It's not a gigantic show, just about the right size to spend 2 or 3 hours in and having fun. So that's it for today.